We've got Oliver Sloup from Blue Line Futures. Oliver's a friend of the show. He's on a lot. Appreciate his content. Oliver, what are your thoughts here on these grain markets going into the closing part of the day here before we got a Friday?
Well, I think you hit the nail on the head. A lot of traders and other market participants are really kind of focusing in on the big ticket item. And right now that's weather. But I think the bigger ticket item is next week's USDA report a week from today. Until we get a new fundamental catalyst to break us out or break us down, I think it's going to be more of the same. And that's chop, 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 mostly sideways, especially for that corn market where it's been playing out for the last 8 sessions. For the last 8 sessions, we've traded at that 550 handle. It kind of reminds me of my grandfather's corn market, but I do think that we will get a bigger directional move once we get past that USDA report, and just kind of tuning out a lot of the hubbub and news, looking at the seasonality of it. We continue to like leaning on the sell side, especially up against technical resistance, 557 to 560, a breakout above there. Probably neutralize our bias in the near term, as we could see that extend up to that gap from earlier in the month or last month.
You know, and Oliver, you said your grandfather's corn market. You're going to be shocked to know that I still remember trading corn with $1 was the handle. We were below $2. So just to let you know that I'm as old as the hills. But having said that, another thing that we have to worry about is the outside markets a little bit, right? And we've got non-farm payrolls tomorrow. So it'll be interesting to see. That bar has been set pretty high, Oliver, so it'll be interesting to see if we disappoint and what that does to the markets going forward, because we have been getting whipped around. We've had a couple of Mondays ago that we came in with the equity market off pretty severely, so I'm also kind of looking at that. So we've got a lot to talk about, and it's also that time of year, August. We're kind of in that in-between time. There's a lot of folks on holiday or vacation still, and all those things kind of lend itself to maybe a little bit of a volatile, bumpy kind of a ride here. So we'll see, and we'll wait and see, and we're going to have you wait with us because your content is very good. We're going to go ahead and take a quick break right now. We're with Oliver Sloup from Blue Line Futures. We're going to go away, pay some bills, and come back and talk about livestock with Oliver when we return.